So, how do you delete your poly.ai account? So to start off, let's head over to poly.ai. So as you can see, I've already logged in my account right here, and we just need to go to the profile. So you just need to click on the bottom right if you want to go to the profile, this icon right here. Now, as you can see, we have the profile in. You just need to click on the arrow. Oh wait, that's not it. We just need to click on the account right here on settings. Now we just need to agree on it and hit on delete. So after this, your account will be deleted. So let's press delete and delete your account. Now your account is deleted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.